What's your follow-up game like? If you're not following up with your leads, you're leaving a lot of potential money on the table. However, if you follow up too much, at some point it becomes a form of harassment. And today we're going to talk about, do you follow up? How much do you follow up? And how much can you follow up until it becomes harassment? But first, my name is Jason Brothers with J Bros Financial Freedom. And if you're interested in building both financial and time freedom through multiple streams of residual income, you're in the right place because that's all we talk about here. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Now let's dive into today's video. Has this ever happened to you? You wake up, you do your morning routine, or for me, I don't have a morning routine. I just wake up, grab my phone, and start scrolling Facebook. So you're scrolling through Facebook and you see one of your friends promoting the same program that you're with, and you're thinking, hey, that's cool, a new member to the community. But then you're like, wait, didn't I tell them about this a couple of weeks ago? And sure enough, you told them about it, you left the link and said, if you have any questions, get back with me. They never do. A couple of weeks come around, somebody else shows them the same offer, and boom, they buy it. End of story, you miss out on the commission. Now, this has happened to me a couple of times, and my initial reaction was rage because I missed out on the commission, and it's kind of unfair that they went with somebody else. But then I calmed down, I looked over it and realized maybe it was my fault. Had I followed up with them? No, I had not. In fact, I had left the ball in their court. They never got back with me. I never got back with them. Somebody else approached them, and I lose the sale that way. So yes, you do need a follow-up plan, or you're going to be missing out on commissions like this as well. But at what point do these follow-ups become harassment? Because personally, I don't like it when somebody keeps coming to me with the same offer over and over. I already told you no, or if I was interested, I would get back with you. But not everybody's like that. So let me know in the comments, do you follow up? And if so, what's your follow-up method? Now, I would like to point out that anytime I've seen this happen, it has happened when I presented my offer through Messenger. Now, when you're sending hundreds of messages a day through Messenger, it can be hard to keep track of them all. And that's why I believe that the best way to follow up with somebody is to get their email. And as long as you have their email, you can be sending out newsletters to your email list, which is effectively a follow-up every single day. At this point, it's not harassment because if they don't like it, they can simply unsubscribe to your email list and that's the end of it. No problem, right? But as long as you can send them through a funnel that collects their email, you will have something to reach out to them and follow up every single day. And just hopefully they actually open it, but that's a whole different topic. Because if you simply say, here's the link, let me know if you have any questions, sometimes they'll let you know, sometimes they won't. Even though they should reach out to you if they want more information, they don't always do that, and you still have to go after them. So unless you got some kind of CRM or method to actually follow up, I believe that email marketing is the best way. But let's say you are in Messenger. How many times do you approach somebody with the same offer over and over again? At some point, people can be annoyed, and I know I'll block somebody if they approach me too many times with the same thing that I've already told them that I'm not interested in, or I just haven't messaged them back, so they should get the hint. However, they are doing a good job because they are supposed to be following up, so I guess I can't blame them for it. A trick that I've learned that I'm starting to implement now is letting somebody know, hey, here's a link, and I'm going to follow up with you in a couple of days. Or here's a link, I'll get back with you tomorrow to see what you think about it. Here's the link, have a nice weekend. On Monday, I'll connect with you, see what you think. Something like that. That way, when you approach them again for the follow-up, they're kind of already expecting it, and it doesn't become as annoying to them. But still getting their email and following up through your email list is going to be the best bet for you. And if you're unsure of how to do that or if it actually works, I suggest you checking out this video where I go over email marketing and why it is still useful and relevant even to this day. So if you learned anything in this video, I ask you to please hit that like button. It does help me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.